This was provided by Yofidra. Comes in two models, one without the battery and with the battery, of a runtime up to 3 hours of a 2.0 amp hour, 18,500 RPM of a brushless motor. As we open up the product and show you what you get inside, how nicely they are packaged with the instruction guide laid on top, tools, sharpening stone and oil, right angle Allen keys, and a socket to open up and change the blade. And the Yofindra cutter. It tells you how many times you cut in the window, ergonomic rubber and plastic, 1.7-inch opening to cut tree branches and more. There's two models to the Yofindra. One with the battery and one without, with your own supplied DeWalt battery that snaps in, and on the back by pulling the trigger, showing you how many times you have a cut and the battery life. In order to operate the unit, press it a couple of times and you're able to come to the plant, pull the trigger and cut. Just simply hold the safety. When all done, simply hold the safety, hold the trigger down, let go for a number of seconds to lock into place. With 18,500 RPM of power, as well as a brushless motor with the ergonomic grip and the rubber top around the sides and on the safety handle that protects the hand with the battery. In blue and black, we have some air vent holes and a small window to display the amount of cut and power. We have a branch we're going to be cutting. We're going to pull the trigger for safety and release. We get acknowledgement. Grab the branch we need to cut. Safety pulled. Cut. With an option of no batteries and use the existing batteries you own, and it's 2 battery and charger. The choice is yours of the product. Thank you for viewing and enjoy your product if this is right for you.